Hey people, so I'm back. I mean, I just, I did 45 times Surya Namaskar in the morning and I'm still reeling under the effects. I mean, like, in the sense, one feels there's a lot of energy, but suddenly it's like muscles you didn't know existed suddenly come alive. So, you know. Anyway, so people, see, I'm back to doing what I do best, which is reviewing these particular stones. So this is a carnelian stone, and the carnelian stone. I kind of googled what is the best stone to wear, and this showed up, carnelian, because apparently carnelian stone um, it's helpful for anyone who's been through abuse of any kind, mental, emotional, and also it's a protection stone, and apparently it helps with creativity, all of which I need for my YouTube videos, so really people, so this is the carnelian stone. See, I'll be honest, it these days with Google, it just takes one typing of carnelian stone on Google to tell you all the benefits. So when I make these videos, it is to kind of throw light on, I'm sure carnelian stone won't have really occupied a very great part of your mind until you saw this video. I mean, not that it will occupy too much of your mind even now, but you will kind of think of it that okay, probably this is a thing that you can explore. So really people, as much as anyone would say, the fact is stones come from the earth, crystals come from the earth, and Mother Earth will always want the best for her child. So it does help when you wear these happy, happy type stones. So it's a long video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.